Hello friends, now today in this video lecture we are going to discuss crystal imperfections. So imperfection is nothing but the defect. So if we consider a perfect crystal or ideal crystal, then it is having the three-dimensional repetition of identical units of atoms or molecules. For example, if we consider 6 atoms along x-axis, the same 6 will be repeated along y and z axis. So in that condition we say that that is a perfect crystal. Crystal always contains some types of imperfections or defects. Imperfections or defects often have a beneficial effect on the physical or mechanical properties of the material. It means intentionally we create the defects or imperfections in the crystal to improve the mechanical or physical properties of the material. Now types of defects, you see zero dimensional or point defects. Under that we consider vacancy defects, intentional defects, substitutional defects, one dimensional or line defect, edge dislocation, screw dislocation, two dimensional surface defects, grain boundary defects, tilt boundary, twin boundary, stacking faults. And under the three dimensional defects we discuss volume defects. Three dimensional means volumetric defects. Now zero dimensional or point defects, you see here from the figure only you can get the idea. Now see the atoms along this 1 2 3 4 in the first row. In the second row one atom is missing here, 3 atoms are there. Again in the third row there are 4 atoms. Means it is not a perfect crystal, but the atom is missing at the particular point. Okay, so this is known as vacant site. Okay, so it is known as zero dimensional defect. Vacancy defect may occur as a result of imperfect packing during the original crystallization or because of thermal vibration of the atoms at the higher temperatures. At equilibrium, the fraction of the vacant lattices at a given temperature can be calculated by using the relation Nv by N is equal to exponential minus Qv divided by Kt. And Nv means number of vacant sites, N means total number of atomic sites, Qv means activation energy or vibration energy required to create a vacancy, K means Boltzmann constant, and T means absolute temperature in Kelvin. Now substitutional defects. See, when a parent atom replaces the atom and occupies its position in the lattice site. Now see here from the diagram, these are the parent atoms, and this black color atom is shown, it is the substitutional atom or foreign atom. So here in this case the size of the parent atom is greater than the size of the substitutional or foreign atom. In this case the substitutional atom size is greater than the size of the parent atoms. So these are the substitutional defects. Example is when we add copper to nickel, copper atoms are known as foreign atoms and nickel atoms are known as parent atoms. So point defects are also classified into Frankel defect and Schottky defect. Frankel defect means when a cation vacates in its position and moved into its interstitial position in an interstitial atom. Now you see here example cadmium fluoride, AgCl, AgL, silver halides, etc. Now see here one parent atom size greater and one smaller parent atom. So here you see here the original, this small cation was in this position, so it is shifted to this new position. So here vacancy is created. So it is the Frankel defect. So what is Schottky defect? So in this diagram one cation and one anion pair is absent. So it is known as Schottky defect. Examples NaCl, KCl, etc. Line defects. So these are also known as dislocation in a regular ordering of atoms along a line in a crystal. Okay, this is one dimensional defect. Now you see here what happens. So in the first row there are 5 atoms, second row 5 atoms, in the third row 5 atoms, in the fourth row only 4 atoms, in the fifth row only 4 atoms. So you see here, if you consider the first column, again 5 atoms, in each column there are 5 atoms, but see at the center only there are 3 atoms. So we say extra insertion of half plane of the atoms. Only half plane of the atoms are present here. In the plane below the atoms are missing. So this is known as dislocation. So this is known as positive dislocation when the extra half plane of the atoms are present in the plane above. When the extra half plane of the atoms are present in the plane below, then these are known as negative dislocation. So because of the plastic deformation, this defect occurs. So screw dislocation we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.